In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Excel to N8N. So open up N8N and log into your N8N account. Once I've logged in here, once you're on your workflow here, click on create workflow. On your top right, click on it and then to open up a new workspace. So now here, click add first step. Click on it and then in the search bar, search for Microsoft Excel. Okay, and then select Microsoft Excel, and then from there on the actions here, choose what do you want to do with the Excel. So for example, like you want to probably create a table, for example. So let's say create a table. So you can just choose any action that you want to do, and then here we're going to set up the parameters for the credentials here. In order to connect these Excel, you're going to click on select credential and then hit on create new credentials. So this is where we connect our Excel account. So click on connect my account. So this will now actually like open up, try to log into your Excel account, your Microsoft Excel account. It will try ask you for login. So just log into your account and then authorize the connection. It's going to ask you to authorize. You just have to authorize and accept the connection. Once that's done, okay, once you're done with that process, hit on save. Okay, and then get back to this, and then here you can choose your parameters here. So for example, I want to create a table, I will leave it as it is. So operation, you can leave it as it is, and then choose which book you want to use, and then where you want to do. So those based on your action, these changes depending on what you're trying to do. Okay, changes. And once that's done, once you have set up all the parameters, click on execute step. And once that's done, click on back to Canva, and here you will see that your Excel is now being connected, and you can check this connection by doing any actions or something like that. You can hit on execute workflow to test how it works, and that's basically pretty much it is.